Okay, I had the worst hair day ever, and I'm gonna share it with you. Check it out. Hey, welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're gonna talk about my worst hair day ever. I haven't even recovered yet. It was so bad. I am Melanie. I do makeup videos and hair videos and DIY stuff, and I really appreciate if you'd subscribe. I'm 45 years old. I have rosacea, sensitive skin, and I'm on an eternal quest for ashy blonde hair. All right, so it all shook. I had the worst hair day, like ever. And I want to share with you what happened because I've got like a whole slew of videos coming out reviewing different products and stuff. In case you're wondering what the overall story was, let's go back in time to the beginning. It's gonna play out. When it first started, I had blue hair. I had a DIY accident a month or two ago, and I had blue hair, and I was rocking it. I was gonna live with this blue hair, and I was okay with it. But you know what? It got old. So I wanted blonde hair. So I decided the first thing to do would be do a bleach bath. And that was successful, my friends, but it is the ugliest thing you've ever seen. It is humiliating to see what you look like after a bleach bath, okay? So the start of my day, I believe, was like a Thursday night. On Thursday night, I did the bleach bath. Now that is not the bad part of my day, but when you wake up like that, that's how it started. My Friday, my worst day of my life with my hair. So I woke up looking like this. And I honest to God, don't know what you do when you look like that. Like, so what do I do next? I love Ion Color Brilliance semi-permanent and demi-permanent, but I wanted to do permanent hair. I wanted to permanently color my hair because I was tired of the way the roots looked. Okay, I wanted to just do it for real, okay? So I said, I love Ion, let's try the permanent. And okay, so here's the final product. Does this look cool colored to you? I pulled back the top because I didn't put it on the ends. I just put it on the roots and on all the underneath. I had not planned for the hair to be green on the ends and bright orange in the middle. See, the problem I had was this whole two-toned hair. I had warm hair and cool hair, warm hair and cool hair. I had blue hair and yellow hair. Now I had green hair and orange hair, and I didn't know what to do. So first thing is, I said was, let's go back and let's fix the roots, okay? All my friends in real life say, no, you must trust Wella T18. You must trust it. So I trusted it, and I did it again. Wella T18 with 050 added to it. And do you know what that did to my hair? I think we all knew this was how it was going to end, right? Well, this has just been a shit storm, hasn't it? If you have white hair, don't use any toner on it, okay? Don't use it. Don't use it. What was I thinking? I've done this before, okay? So then now I have blue hair again. Now I'm back to really blue hair. And I said, fuck it. I'm trying the color theory. I'm gonna go with what they say to do. Color theory. I watched videos on this one. I watched all the professionals talk about color theory. To cancel the blue, you must apply orange. So I did it. So in case you ever wondered what happens when you add orange to blue hair, you get pink hair. Color theory. Fuck you, color theory. So now what do? Now you're like, I'm going back to brown hair. So I go to the store and I said, Ion, you let me down. Wella, you let me down. And so what do I do? And the woman at Sally's is like, I use this Clairol, and I know better, okay? Because I know that at least all along this way my hair was not damaged. It felt soft and it wasn't as brittle, okay? But I say, I've been let down. My Clairol bleach doesn't let me down. I'll try the Clairol. Okay, so this is it. This is the final marathon of hair things. This is what it looks like. I'm surprisingly okay with this color that I can only describe as murky gray brown with red roots. At this point I was just like, so, and then Miraculously, I washed it twice and it ended up this color, and I'm not that displeased. Now you can see I have over processed hair. That Clairol dried the hell out of my hair. It's just crispy, and maybe it was, you know, all the 5 different processes I did. So thanks for watching. This is just like my quick hair update of how I went from blue to this, and I don't even know what this is, and my worst hair day ever.